Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be staying at the Maldron Hotel in Newcastle city centre. Going to have a look around the hotel, the room, the restaurants, the bar, and then I'm going to give my final thoughts at the end of the video. Tell you how much I paid for one night stay, which includes dinner and breakfast. So please do leave a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates on new videos. And I will see you at the end of the video. So to go over our stay here at the Maldron Hotel in Newcastle, first thing that you notice when you get into the room is how clean it is. The set out and the decor is probably what you would call minimal. Really nice, large, comfortable bed. My wife and I had a really good night's sleep. We stayed for one night before we head up to Edinburgh. The cost of the room was £135, and that included dinner in the evening and breakfast in the morning after. We booked this through a WOWCHER deal. We did have a look on their own website. If you book directly for the same package is £199. Is it value for money? You're probably paying more because of the location. It is dead centre in Newcastle. You're about 2 or 3 minutes walk from the main train station down to the right hand side of the hotel, and further up to on the left hand side you're near the Gate, which is a popular place in Newcastle. Last night we ate at the Grain and Grill restaurant, which was included in the package, and the food was excellent. It was really nice. And we also had breakfast in the morning, which was a buffet style You see some footage here. Great selection of pastries, hot food, tea, coffee, juices, fruits. Really good selection, and the quality of the food was excellent, similar to last night. Would we stay here again? Yes, we would. It's great and convenient for being near the train station. A little bit more expensive than other hotels that we've stayed in the centre of Newcastle, especially down by the quayside. Seems to be slightly cheaper. This is a Wednesday night. There is a concert going on at the arena in Newcastle, so maybe that's why it's a little bit more expensive on this Wednesday night. The night after did look slightly cheaper on the WOWCHER website and also on their own website. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for further updates when we release more videos. And I'll see you in the next video.